gals. Hey girls. Hey everyone out there. It's me, Joe, with you guys all again. NDNJOE. El New Joe. Just Joe. Yeah. Anyways, it's been a while since I shot a video. I did that time-lapse video thing there, which looked pretty cool. I liked it. Some may like it, some may not like it, but that's okay, you know, whatever works for you. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. That's right, a unboxing video. Today, I went to go pick up my new camera. Not just any old camera, it's somewhat of an upgrade for me. Big time upgrade, to tell you the truth. Where I used to use a GoPro, and I used to use a Sony Alpha 550, which was just strictly cameras only. Like pictures, I should say, sorry. Pictures. So, not a photographer, but I do know how to take pictures, and you know, hey, here's a camera. So let's unbox this camera. First, unbag it. Let's get this sucker out of the bag. Now, I know there's many videos out there, you know, all those big photographers doing the reviews and stuff like that. But when it comes to you, yourself, the individual buying a camera, spending that much money, it makes a big difference, and it makes you feel awesome because you got something that expensive. Woo! Okay, so here it is. That's the box right here. This is the first time unboxing this video. Unboxing video. You can tell I'm excited. But anyways, this is what the box looks like. For that, gives you all the specs on the side here. What's inside the box. Gives you nothing on the background here whatsoever. There's nothing. But anyways, it does have Wi-Fi certified. Hey, how about that? HDMI, Bluetooth, some teardrops there, something there. Anyways, you can tell I'm not really good at this. Barcode, so on. Anyways, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Now we need to. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's so new that. Here we go. Oh yes, here we go. That is the top part of the box. Remarks. Okay, let's take this out. This is the Canon limited warranty, so make sure you fill this out after spending that much money on your you know, gear. You make sure you want to fill out the warranty. Cardboard. And look how thick that is. That's like almost 1.25 inches thick. That's the manual. Comes in 3 different languages: Espanol, Francais, and English. And that's a, you know, basic instruction manual. It shows you everything you need to know about your camera. And like I said in unboxing other videos, you know, make sure you read the manual. So, what else is in the box? Let's slide this sucker out. I'm assuming this is the. Okay. I am not going to toss this box away just in case I need to take it back. And here we are with this unboxing video for this unboxing box. Cardboard funky thing. Okay, here we go. Alright, this here. Wow, they. Oh, yeah. What is this? This is it. This is it. This is it. I have to give hands to the Canon though. They wrapped it up really good. They took all the precautions necessary to keep your. Oh, look at that. I'll do a comparison side from my old camera to this one. But here it is. This is the EOS 6D Mark IV. Oh wait, shit, Mark IV. Mark II. Here's the lens cap. Everything that goes with the camera. These are all the buttons on top. There's the dial. Things I'm going to have to get used to. They have a flip screen. which was an awesome feature, which I loved, because you could turn it just like that. So now, if you're taking a video with it, you can actually monitor yourself. Hey, 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 there you go. And let's turn this back here. Let's get all the toggles and switches and dials, buttons up to yin yang here. And on the side here, it got a microphone jack right there. So it's not too bad. Here it's got the HDMI cord and USB right here. Okay, what else? Other than that, I'm assuming the battery is inside. Battery housing is down below. No battery. So we have to make sure the battery's with us. So, comes with a register your EOS camera now. Make sure you do that. So Canada, oh, so there's a Canada side. Canada only customers for this side of the pamphlet. On the other side, USA only. And it gives you all this connect with Canon and all this really good stuff. Probably going for your warranty. So that's all in that box. That's the body. Into the bigger box now. Alright. What's in the big white box is the lens. They packed it really nice. Alright. There we go. Comes with a lens hood. And this is the monster. Wow, look at that, eh? Whew. That's a 24 to 105 millimeter image stabilizer, ultrasonic. Oh, friggin' right. Even got it's. Oh, wow. Oh, just the feel itself. Now that's quality. Yeah, that's really good quality. And it's heavy too. It's got some good weight. We're not going to bother with that. Like I said, the lens hood. What else comes in the box is the battery charger. And here comes the famous, the camera strap. And here's the battery. So I'm assuming, plug it in, we got to charge up the battery, and so on. So that's all that's in the box. Okay. So here's the battery. It's unbagged battery. So I've watched review after review about all these cameras here. The 60 Mark II. Brand new spanking new battery. Holy boy, look at that. Yes. Here's the charger. Brand new spanking new battery. Slide it in like so. Slide it out like so. Slow-mo. Dun, 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 dun. And then think. And then plug it in. That's what we're going to do. Now attaching the lens. There's the lens cap. Counterclockwise. Pull out. Here's the lens. Counterclockwise. Pull up. Match the red dot with the red dot. Turn clockwise till you hear the click. Now it's locked in. You can tell I'm a newbie. There you go. It's only a camera. Really. But for me, it's a camera. Freaking right. Yeah, now let's wait for the battery to charge. Dun, dun, dun. Well, as I'm sitting here waiting for my battery to charge, power up this big freaking monster. It feels really small in my hands, to tell you the truth. Really small in my hands because I got big hands. But anyways, it's got some good weight to it. But I forgot to mention is that I had to buy a memory card. And buddy at the store recommended the SanDisk Extreme Pro SDXC-UHS-1 card. Pro's choice for reliability, performance, and can't even pronounce the damn word. Ah, jeez. Image and 4K UHD video quality. Yes. I can hear others saying the damn word right now. Anyways, okay, I'm not even gonna bother right now. Anyways, it's got speeds up to 95 bits per second, which is 633x. Isn't that freaking awesome? Got it for $79. I'm not sure if that's expensive or not, but that's how it is here in Canada. And I'm gonna put this puppy inside the camera. And the other thing, I asked buddy too. His name was Justin. He was the salesperson. Anyways, he suggested that when you plug this thing into your camera, you're making sure that once you put it in the little slot here where the SD card goes, that you format it from the camera itself. You know, so you go in the settings, you go where the little wrench is, and you press format card, so that, you know, the hard software will work with the card and the camera. And that's it. So there you have it, folks. You know, I'm unboxing my freaking camera here. Everything's for the first time. I went out, I spent the money, I got myself a half decent camera now. My dream camera was the Canon 5D Mark IV, but you know, there's things you can do and some things you can't do. So, you know, do what you can do. There we go. For me, I did it. You know, I went out and bought myself a good camera, and I've upgraded from my Sony. So, you know, is it a big upgrade for me? I'm not 100% sure, but as you guys will hopefully, you know, tune in to my channel here and, you know, see some of the video, and maybe I'll have some good pictures on there for you guys all. So that's my unboxing video for you guys all, and, you know, thanks for tuning in. Like I said, I'm Joe, NDNJOE. And, you know, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button down below, and have some fun. And always don't forget to smile. I can smile now because I have a tooth back in here again. Yeah. So, without your guys' help, you know, this helped me big time, you know. Even if you just subscribe to me and like button, you know, that makes a big difference for me. Because all the money that I save up from my videos as well, yeah, I put towards new gear. So, thank you all. Thanks for tuning in.